Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a quick and easy, classic and authentic chile verde stew. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 3 pounds of chuck roast, 12 roasted and peeled hatch peppers, 5 red potatoes, 1 small onion, 2 Roma tomatoes, 3 minced garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and all of our spices that will be listed in the description box. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by making our chile verde. So to a blender cup, add the roasted and peeled hatch peppers. And if you don't want to roast and peel your own peppers, you can always use 2 cups of pre-made chile verde. And to that, I'm also going to be adding 2 roasted serrano peppers just to make it a little more spicy. Now we're just going to be adding half a cup of water. Okay, now we're just going to be blending everything together until everything is nice and crushed. Okay, so once we have that, we're going to set it to the side so we can prepare our meat. Alright, now for our chuck roast, I like to trim some of the fat. Okay, so once we cut it, now we're just going to be cutting it into small little pieces. So I like them to be about this size. Alright, so once we have our meat all nice and chopped, now we're going to coat it with the all-purpose flour along with salt and black pepper. I'm using 1.5 tablespoons of salt and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Just make sure to coat it completely. Okay, and once we have it, now we can get ready to begin cooking. And now to my pressure cooker, I'm going to be adding a little bit of oil. We're going to be using the saute setting, so just allow it to get nice and hot. Okay, once it's nice and hot, begin to add the pieces of meat. And we're going to be doing this step in batches. So just make sure to lay it on a single layer. And just allow that side to sear for a couple minutes. Alright, so once our meat has browned, now we can remove it from the pot. And we're just going to be repeating the process with the rest of the meat. Alright, so once we have browned all of our meat, we're just going to set it to the side. And to our pot, add a little bit more oil. Here we're going to be adding the onion. Now just saute it for about a minute or 2. Okay, after 2 minutes, add the minced garlic and tomatoes. Now just mix it for about 30 seconds. Once we begin to smell the garlic, now we can add our green chile. Along with that, we're going to be adding 3.5 cups of water. So just get it all in your blender cup. Make sure you don't leave nothing behind. Now here we're going to be adding our bay leaves, our oregano, ground cumin, and a little bit of salt. Now just mix it and bring it to a simmer. Alright, so once our chile verde comes to a simmer, now we can add our meat back. And along with our meat, we're going to add our large chunks of potatoes. Okay, so just give it a good mix. Now we're going to be switching the setting from saute to pressure cook and allow it to cook for 20 minutes. Alrighty, and after 15 minutes, our delicious chile verde is done. So now we can get ready to serve. Alright guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this right here, it's seriously super quick and easy and seriously super delicious. I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Now of course, like I mentioned, you can always use pork, or if you are like us and we'd rather have it with beef. And let me tell you, you can never go wrong. I am so ready. The meat is so tender. Just look at that. And I like to serve it with a side of rice and of course flour tortillas. So regardless, hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. So simple, yet so flavorful. It's a classic. And of course, your green chile de pan It will be spicy depending on the type of hatch that you use. But this right here, it's seriously the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a super easy and delicious chile verde stew. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you work with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.